Welcome! In front of me I have CMF Buy Nothing Watch Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the CMF watch application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. In the app, once you open it, you will see the main page, the home page. Then you can tap on the device icon, and here you should see your CMF Watch Pro. Now scroll down, find the Unbind Device button and tap on it. Then tap on Yes. If you see this pop up, tap on Go to Settings, and it will redirect you to the Bluetooth settings. And here you will see the list of my devices. You should see the Watch Pro right here on the list. Tap on the info icon next to it and tap on Forget this device and tap on Forget device to remove it. And once you're done, you can close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.